Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Well, in the Peak District today at a place called Over Owler Tor. Now I've been here before, up onto the top, but being honest, the weather is not looking particularly glamorous view wise, but just coming through Storm Amy, I think she was called, and sometimes you get some absolutely fantastic light after a storm blows through, so I thought I'll just come down and have a little look. Now there is, as you can see, a load of lovely silver birches. Nigel Danson will be in his absolute element, but might take a few shots of them, we'll see. What I really want though is to try and find some compositions that are going to use sort of this fleeting light that's coming through. So I've got the big girl with me today, the 1 to 400mm zoom, which I'm thinking might be some shots down into the valley with the long lens, but we'll see. So I'm going to head up that hill. I've got my little mate with me today. Milo's come for a stroll, so we'll see what we can find, and I'll flick you back on and get the first composition lined up. I've lined a little composition up. It's not really my bag, this, I'll be honest with you, but I quite like it. I like the silver birches, they do look nice. I found this like really nice rock formation in the foreground which leads you into this sort of pre-autumnal or semi-autumnal scene, which is quite nice. Have a look at this little comp. You have to forgive the wind noise if there is any, but effectively what I'm trying to do is the rocks that are in the foreground there, use them as though they're sort of leading you in to this area here where the trees are. Now this area here, I'm going to darken that down when I get it back into Lightroom because there's some nice light. Got to be careful not to overexpose it. When the sun comes out, it's quite a high dynamic range on this, but not a bad one. So out of 10, here we go, onwards and upwards. So just to be a little bit patient with this, just to let this cloud come in and cover some of the sun, because it was just like hitting me straight in the face before, which was just no good at all. So I've got 0.9 soft grad in, just to calm the sky down a little bit. Some beautiful light, I don't know if you can see it in the distance here, it's catching on the hills, stunning. So I'm going to get up a bit higher I think now. I've done my bit for woodland photography. We'll get up there. Milo's had enough, look. It's like, can we go? Can we go? Yes we can, fella, yes we can. So I'm going to climb to the top now, see if we can get up there and put the long lens on and do some shots with that. But yeah, if this shot was any good, here's a shot. So the light's not been brilliant and it's blowing a hoolie, so I've hidden behind this rock and seen some deer. How cool is that? Have a look at this. I don't know if you can make them out on here, but there's a big stag in there, so I've taken some shots of him. They've been hanging around for that long. I even managed to pull the tripod out. How cool is that? You must be feeding them up here. There's like some stuff out there that think there's food in for them, so that's quality. See, always come out, you never know what you're going to see. Onwards and upwards. Well, I think I'm going to call it there, folks. It's a bit tough. It's been a bit tough today. I don't really know what I was expecting, really, to be honest, when I came out on this one, because I thought I might get some like fleeting light, but unfortunately not. It was either massively harsh or non-existent. But the deer were cool. They were really cool. So yeah, sorry it's not been up to probably the usual standards, this one, but just nice to get out and have a play around. I've not shot any deer before with this camera, so we'll see what they've come out with. Like, you've seen them, I haven't. But yeah, so until the next one, I'll see you around. Wow, superb.